Starting the game. I will first accept the cookie banner to clear the view. Then I will click the search box, type Inception as a strong initial guess to get baseline feedback on medium, year, rating, and genres, select it from the dropdown using Enter, and click the Guess button. Type is green for movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 2010 is yellow with an up arrow, meaning the target is newer 2011 or 2012. Rating 8.8 is yellow with a down arrow, meaning the target rating is lower 8.3 to 8.7. Genres action, adventure, and sci-fi are gray, no overlap. Actor Leonardo DiCaprio is green, overlap, while others are gray. Director Christopher Nolan is gray. The target is a 2011-2012 movie starring Leonardo DiCaprio, rated 8.3-8.7, and not action/adventure/sci-fi. Target medium equals movie type is green. Year 2010 is yellow with an up arrow, so the target is newer 2011 or 2012. Rating 8.8 is yellow with a down arrow, so the target rating is lower 8.3 to 8.7. Leonardo DiCaprio is green, so he is in the target movie. Genres action, adventure, and sci-fi are gray. Django Unchained 2012 stars Leonardo DiCaprio has an 8.4 rating and is a drama/western, fitting all constraints perfectly. Nailed it in just 2 guesses. The target was Django Unchained. Spotting Leonardo DiCaprio in the first guess, combined with the 2011-2012 release window and high rating, made it an easy solve.